Okay y'all, I don't know why I'm telling you this now, but I have a sister Salma, and yes, I have killed her before. BC, she a annoying bitch. Hey bitch ass Salmonella, like what name is that?
And what kind of name is Notori?
Yike, I'm a Yandir, so watch out bitch. Wait, why the fuck is there water dripping out of the windows? Duth, it's getting in my shoes. I need to run. Fun fact, I can't swim. WF, is this guy drowning? Oh hell no, bye crocodiles, I ain't wanna be her no more. Wait a damn minute, is Himar okay? I need to go check. I'm so lucky I'm next to Himara's house. BC, this a special occasion, so we need to check on our loved ones. Period. Why is there water dripping out? Wait, Himari can't swim, I need to go save her. Himara's mom.
Get ooh.
She drowning, I'm leaving. Oh my god, everyone else is screaming. Okay, now I'm really frightened. I'm going to just go to sleep. I hope the flood doesn't get in my PJs.